Good evening. Number one, Clothberg presents Madras Couture Fashion Week season 10 la irukom. We started this property called Madras Couture Fashion Week MCFW in the year 2014, and we have done 10 successful editions. Now it's in 24 where we are doing, and this year we are having 7 fashion designers. Each of them have exhibited their extremely beautiful lineup, and we have Vox Hospitality as the uh, sponsor along with other partners. So we have an exciting evening. Thank you very much. And we plan to do this year after year. This is the second edition this year, in fact. So we plan to do year after year, and looking forward to all your support. Thank you.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.